students, in today's this chapter we are going to start chapter number 6, trigonometry. First of all, we will understand the meaning of trigonometry. Trigono means what? Tri means what? 3. Gono means what? Sides. And metry means what? Measurement. So wherever we are thinking about the measurement of 3 sides, we are using the concept of trigonometry. So trigonometry in short is what? Measurement of 3 sides. Now we will understand 6 ratios of trigonometry. So there are 6 ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and sixth one is cot theta. Trigonometry, whenever we are finding the ratios, remember that in trigonometry we are using right angle triangle. It must be a right angle triangle. We are learning this trigonometry to find out the distances between sun and the moon. Okay, then height of a building, height of a church, height of a tree. In such type of cases we are using the concept of trigonometry. Even we are using a to find out where is the ship in the ocean. We can find out how far it is from the coastline. So in navigation also we are using the concept of trigonometry. Now I will draw here one triangle. Suppose the name of the triangle is ABC. As I told you, one angle must be of 90 degree. So here angle B is of 90 degree. And if angle B is of 90 degree, then AC will be the hypotenuse. Okay, now we have to consider here, suppose angle A is theta. If angle A is theta, then which will be the opposite side? If angle A is theta, then opposite side will be BC and adjacent side of theta will be AB. If suppose angle C is theta, now here opposite side of theta is which? AB, opposite side, and adjacent side of theta angle is BC. So this is adjacent side. Now by using this information we are going to find out the ratios. First of all we will study sin theta. Sin theta formula we know, opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side for theta angle, it is AB. So I will write here AB and hypotenuse is AC. Then cos theta equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side is BC upon hypotenuse AC. Then tan theta equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. So opposite side of theta degrees AB and adjacent side is BC. Now remember, cosec theta is inverse of sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So cosec theta will be equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side. Now which is the hypotenuse? AC and opposite side is AB. Similarly, sec theta is inverse of cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So therefore sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side. So hypotenuse is AC and adjacent side is BC. This will be the ratio. Cot theta is inverse of tan theta. Tan theta formula we have opposite side upon adjacent side. So cot theta we will take adjacent side upon opposite side. So cot theta equals to, which is the adjacent side? BC and opposite side is AB. So like that you can find out the 6 ratios of trigonometry. Then we are going to study some relation in ratios like sin theta upon cos theta is equals to tan theta. Cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta. These are the relations. Then sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Sin theta equals to cos 90 minus theta. Then cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. So these are the some relations, the relation between trigonometric ratios. So we will see the relation between trigonometric ratios of cosec, sec and cot. So first one is 1 upon sin theta, 1 upon sin theta equals to cosec theta, or else you can say 1 upon cosec theta. You can make a ratio like this also. Cosec theta, if we will send sin theta to RHS, then cosec theta into sin theta is equals to 1. So this is the relation. Second is 1 upon cos theta, 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So therefore sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta. Therefore cot theta into tan theta, you can give for into dot also, or you can write multiplication sign also. So cot theta into tan theta is equals to 1. So this is the relation between trigonometric ratios.